video. I actually just got this new chair, so my height's kind of the cute pink chair I got today for the craft room on wheels, which is really nice. Been super busy building out Inktoberfest, getting ready for Lift Your Spirits. We've got lots of new fun releases coming, some new products coming, all kinds of really cool stuff on the way. So this is recorded live and we do it very interactive, so people can ask questions as you go. So if you want to join the lives and get notifications, hit subscribe, ring the bell, all that kind of stuff. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. But we usually get started about 2 minutes in when everyone starts to join us. So I'm going to also open it on my laptop because then I can see the comments when I go top down. I'm also aware that I don't know what it is, but so I just use my phone for right now till I get cameras again. But for some reason, when I, why has it got to chat disabled? I wonder if I can edit that on the fly. I don't know why your chat's disabled, ladies. I'm trying to see if I can fix it. It's disabled, so there's nothing I can really do. I think you might be able to leave comments below the video, so I'll keep refreshing and I'll check the comments. I don't know what's up with it. I didn't turn anything off, but anyway, so yeah, so when I turn the camera around, there's something in the YouTube app that adds like this background noise because I don't have it here. It's still on my phone. I have no idea what it is, but we will work on getting some other stuff, you know, better sound equipment and all those kinds of things as well. So don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and hopefully you can leave comments even if you can't leave a chat. But I'm just going to dive in tonight and I'm going to talk about Kaleidoscope powders. So if you don't know what a Kaleidoscope powder is, it used to be, I know other companies make them, but that's what I called them under the Mica Forte brand. There's a few of them listed in the store, and the store link is in the description below. It's hedgehoghostore.com, so it's just the name of the YouTube channel, store.com. And I still have a few of them here, so I haven't decided if we want to bring them back. You guys can let me know in the comments what you think. But Kaleidoscope powder is a pigment mica powder. So let me turn my camera around so you guys can see. Alright, so you can see I have everything ready here on my desktop. So these are the powders. They used to come in these little jars. And Tonic has something similar, but it's not quite the same. It's not quite the same as like Pearl X either. They're all a little bit different. And the way in which a lot of them are different, like this one doesn't have a binder in it. So you can add Pearl X binder and turn this into like a Pearl X paint and all kinds of different things. And I'm going to share with you some different ideas and ways that you can use them after the video. But they come in colors like this. So this was Hubble. Well, some of them, like, what's this one here? This is Snow Flurry, so this one's going to be white. And this one, I think, is Alien, so it's going to have an interference. Here it is, Alien. So this one is white, but when you see what I do with it on dark cardstock, you're going to see it changes color a lot. So some of them are interference as well. Some of them glow in the dark. This one also glows in the dark. Some of them are bright colors, but they all have a metallic in them, so they all have mica in them. They are super, super fine. And I grabbed a couple of stamp sets so you can see the difference. So I thought we can try this one here. This was called, it's not Gingerbread Village, it's called something like Dear, oh, For You, My Dear. And I do have a couple of them. I added them to the store before I went live. I also want to show you how you can do super fine versions. So this was the Build a Modern Christmas. Here's another fine stamp set I found, so you can see like how you can do fine detailed work. And then also here's your Sleep in Heavenly Peace. So I'm going to try and do like a little rainbow type effect with this as well. So let's dive in to our world of mica powders. So I have here just a variety of cardstock. I have black, a grey, I have white, and I have red, just so you can really kind of tell the difference between them. You're also going to need a clear glue ink pad, and I have my Mica Forte one over here. And then you're going to need some brushes to apply. So this is the fine brush. So this one, this is what I called a dual tip brush. So you have a little stubby end for detail work, or if you want to work on a larger area. And then you need some kind of little cleanup. And to clean them up, I'm going to give you some tips at the end, because otherwise you can end up in quite a mess. And I'm going to save you any mess in your craft room on that as well. So it seems like, I don't know why comments and chats turned off, and it doesn't look like I can change it on the fly.